Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel if you're a returning subscriber, and welcome if you are new. My name is Ranelle, and in this channel I do budgeting, cash stuffing videos for a family of 5, and I am expecting my 4th girl in the fall, so soon to be a family of 6. So this income is definitely a low income. We live paycheck to paycheck, and I just want to share with you guys how I cash stuff, how it works for my family, and where my money goes every payday. My fiance does get paid bi-weekly. I get paid weekly. I'm going to start saving my paychecks though with his, so that way bi-weekly, every time I budget, we actually have a little bit more to put towards sinking funds. I don't know, visually, I think that will help me instead of spending my money at the end of every week, because it's not very much, but added to his income, it may seem like more. I don't know if that makes any sense. I hope it does. So, and typically I do have my budget sheet, but you guys, my printer, of course, like last minute, does not want to work. So we're actually back to how I used to do things. And write it out. Plus, this was super satisfying to actually write it all out again. So I may do this sometimes. I really enjoyed it. But let's go ahead and get started. My fiance got paid $1,972. Now, typically his paychecks are not this much. He actually had some overtime, and next payday he's gonna have even more overtime. Plus he got a raise, so I'm not exactly sure what his typical paycheck's gonna be like without overtime. So, but this is how much his paycheck was this time. And then my paycheck was $167. Now, again, this is just my weekly pay. A little backstory on me, if you are new. Back in the fall of 2021, I did lose my job. And so now this is solely employed income. I do social media for someone local, and then I try to make money any other way I can, because that is only $100 a week for the social media. So my paychecks weekly very, very much do change up. So let's go ahead and add these two up. We get $2,139 for our total income that we are budgeting for May week 3. So these are all my bills. I'm trying to get back into the habit of stuffing them bi-weekly, like half of the amounts. So subscriptions will be getting $50. Power is getting a lot, okay? Power is getting $492. If you missed one of my previous videos, I am actually moving here soon. I think in the next couple weeks, maybe 2 weeks. But anyways, the power company charges like a deposit if you switch cities, and technically I am switching cities. So my deposit was like $327. So it's $327 plus my bill. So here, let's just check. $492. Oh, whoops. $492 minus $327. Yeah, so that is how much my actual power bill was. I do live in Florida, so I have a high AC bill most of the time. Okay, and then school is getting $20. Internet is getting $50. Phone is getting $129. Rent is getting $800. Water and sewer is not getting anything. Credit One is getting $20. Capital One is getting $30. And car insurance is getting $65. Okay, so let's go ahead and add all these up and total them here. So I added up all my bills, and my bills came out to $1,656 this payday. So now we're going to take our total income and minus our bills, and this will give us our remaining balance. $483. Now we are putting $95 towards Snowball. I'm so excited about that. So our total in debt is $95. So we're just gonna go ahead and minus $95 from this. And that gives us our remaining after debt, which is $388. Okay, moving on to our savings. So emergency is getting $13, and then each of my girls gets $5. Okay, so if we add all of these up, we do get $28. Let's just be sure. Yes, 28. So now we're gonna take 388 minus 28, and we get $360 remaining. Now moving on to our cash expenses. So gas is getting $100. Gas prices are crazy. I think right now where I am, it's like $4.30. I'm over it. Eating out is not getting anything. Necessities though is getting $100. I have to get diapers and wipes, all that fun stuff. Groceries is not getting anything. I did already go grocery shopping with my paycheck last week, and we're actually good for a bit. Luna though is getting $20, and I think I have enough for her bag of dog food. She doesn't need it yet, but I know she's going to here soon. I am only getting $10, and then my fiance is getting $25. I always give him more because he is the person who brings in most of the money, and so I want him to feel like he has more spending money than I do because I don't bring in as much. That's my decision, not his. So let's go ahead and add up our expenses. So our expenses add up to $255. So now we're going to take our 360 and minus our 255, and we are left with $105 going to our sinking funds. So these are the sinking funds that I am stuffing this payday. I have to get an oil change. I have to put 40 in here to get my oil change done. Household, like I said, I'm moving, so household's getting 30 because I know we're gonna need things during this move, like tape and just things like that. I wanna make sure I have that for packing. And then new car is getting 35. Okay, so we're gonna add these up. And we get $105, which means we are at $0, and this is a zero-based budget for my family of 5. So we're gonna go down here to our summary total. So we're gonna take our total income, which was $2,139. Our bills were $1,656. Our debt was $95. Savings was $28. Expenses were $255. And our sinking funds got $105. So now we're gonna take our income and minus each one of these, and we should end up with 0 if we did this correctly. And it is $0, which means we did do this correctly. So this is my budget for a family of 5. I finally have had a little bit of extra money to finally put towards my sinking funds. So I am going to be doing a sinking funds, like condensing and everything, at the end of May, and a sinking funds update since there's finally money in all of those once again. As you guys know, I had to restart back in December to buy all of my security system for my house after our home break-in. So I have been really just struggling to like rebuild and get that money again. But no more excuses. It's time to buckle down and tackle my finances, tackle my debt, and just put money to the things that we need and the things that we want. I'm so glad that I'm finally able to see things in my binder. I also did want to show you guys a change update. So my change is like right here, so a little above half. And when I cash this change in, I think I am going to just put the money at the bottom and then just keep adding change until Christmas. And then this will help with our Christmas fund this year. I definitely did not start stuffing for Christmas this year at the beginning of the year like most people do. I don't know, let me know if you guys have started already. I feel like that's like a year away. I have so many things going on and so many things that are going to happen before Christmas. I just don't know how I would save for Christmas on top of everything else. So I'm just not there yet. But I figured I am doing change, so I guess I am saving some, right? So anyways, I wanted to also let you guys know I am going to be doing a debt update. I have not done one of those. I think I've only done one for you guys, and it was like starting my debt journey. And I actually have, I think we've put like around $13,000 towards our debt this year. So I want to see where I'm at and want to see some progress there, because my fiance and I starting were about around $70,000 in debt together. And I think we're actually in the 50s now. So woohoo for that. It's still a lot, but at least it's down. So that video is coming here soon. Not my next one. My next one will be cash stuffing my binders. But I did want to share that with you guys and let you guys know what's going on in my life. I am also working on getting my website to physically send to each one of you guys. So like it won't just be a digital download website here soon. I'm hoping sometime in the month of June that I am able to get that done and I can start sending all of you wonderful people actual orders instead of you guys paying to download them and print them at home. So fingers crossed everything goes well with my move so I can start getting that done for you guys. But that is going to do it for today's video. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you. I love chatting with you guys in the comments. You guys are always so sweet. And I will see you guys in May week 3's cash stuffing. Bye guys.